What's up, Salmon Nation? Welcome back. Gonna head to the drop zone, hoping to get on a load, but it's Saturday, so might just be hanging out and chilling. But we'll see what we can do. It's always a good time at Skydive Grand Haven. Everybody's just having, hangout sessions, and people jump on perfectly good airplanes. But there is really no such thing as a perfectly good airplane, so perfectly good parachute, that's another thing.
Hey, huge shout out to Brian for sending me this video. Thanks, brother. It was awesome. And, we get a little funky on the exit here. It's mostly my fault, I'm sure. But we weren't just going to give it up. We figured it out, and we got stable, and we knew that when we did, Tony would slide into position like the sky ninja that he is after we'd burned up all the altitude messing around. But no, man, it was awesome. Great jump. Thanks, guys. And looking forward to doing it again soon. And thanks for the commentary on the canopy ride too, Brian. You are definitely staying stoked in Michigan, brother. One thing I love about jumping to Skydive Grand Haven is the views. I mean, Brian's canopy ride here is just another reason you should go jump at Skydive Grand Haven, because these views are just phenomenal. That river system that you're watching over there is the Grand River, which is the largest river in Michigan. It empties out in Grand Haven right there on the coast, and so you're getting basically a westward view over Lake Michigan. And it just is absolutely beautiful. And here in another month or so, as we kind of wind down the season, we're going to start getting some of those fall color tour jumps where you're going to start seeing splashes of color. And the river system is kind of green right now because you've got a lot of algae bloom or algal growth that happens in the summertime when the water gets really warm. You're seeing all kinds of boats in the river, and that will give way to fall with the colors, and just the views are just always fantastic at Skydive Grand Haven. Definitely worth the trip and the jump. So right now on the jump you're looking at town. So if you see off into the north here, up by the river, that's the town of Grand Haven. So if you come to Skydive Grand Haven, it's super close by. You can be in downtown Grand Haven, have a good old time. Be over to the airport in just a few minutes, make your jump, go right back downtown, hit the beach, whatever. Just you be staying stoked in Michigan, that's for sure. Living the dream. You'll see a parachute shadow come over Brian in a second. That's my parachute as I came over top and getting ready to land over there on the other side of the airport.
What's up, Salmon Nation? Hey, little skydiving again today. Got a little windy on us for the landing, but we did a little three-way. It was kind of funky on the exit. It was my first time jumping the Navajo, so Brian and we did some sky dancing. Tony caught up, got together for a little bit, and then broke off. But all in all, it was another beautiful day in the state of Michigan, staying stoked. And just love this fall weather we got coming on. So yeah, another day in paradise.